How to cancel a Square payment. So log into your Square dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to the Transactions tab to find the payment you want to cancel. Locate the specific transaction you wish to cancel from the list of transactions. Click on the transaction to view its details. Verify that the transaction is eligible for cancellation. Not all transactions may be eligible, depending on factors such as the payment method used and the time since the transaction occurred. If the transaction is eligible for cancellation, look for the option to refund or void the payment. Click on the refund or void option and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Provide any required information, such as the reason for the cancellation. Once confirmed, the payment will be canceled and the funds will be returned to the customer's payment method. Verify that the cancellation was successful by checking the transaction status in your Square dashboard. Notify the customer of the cancellation if necessary and provide any additional information or assistance they may need. That's it. Thanks for watching.